Running a business involves different applications and managing different applications and workflows can become very difficult. Can't manage your important business workflows? Losing leads and sales opportunities? Not enough time for completing critical tasks? Use Flowgat and create automated, intelligent workflows. Integrate up to 100+ apps and automate repetitive tasks. Flowgat is simple and easy to set up as it is a no-code platform which allows you to run as many workflows as you need. Update marketing email, new order received. Accounting system updated, inventory updated, order dispatched, shipping bill emailed, feedback received and published. Increased efficiency, less manual work, healthy working environment. Get real-time business visibility and well-managed business processes. To discuss your business automation needs, reach out to us and get started in less than 5 minutes.